Today I'm going to be talking about two of my paintings. The first painting is called Popsicle and Donut, quite aptly so. And the second painting is this one called Cooling Ankles. I'll get back to this one in just a moment. Now, the reason why I chose both of these paintings is because they both represent something that I am seeking when I am doing a painting. Specifically, if we look at this painting over here, we see a float in the shape of a popsicle. Now, on top of the float is a clear plastic covering. And how do we know that it's there? Because you cannot really see clear plastic unless it has reflections on it. Now, if we look through this, you can see there are reflections of light on some of the folds, but you can also see what happens as the plastic curves around and it starts to reflect some of the colors underneath the plastic. At the same time, I'm also looking at the water. We look at water, which is clear, and you are unaware of it until you see reflections, such as the reflections underneath this float and underneath this float. It's subtle, but it's there. And as we look through the water, I can see a play of light in these ripples as the light is reflecting and refracting the colors into oranges and in some cases blue, depending on the time of the day. In this painting over here, we can see where I have emphasized the colors that are at play inside of the ripples. There are bright blues and oranges, and the color of the pool, which appears blue in general, is actually sort of grays. However, as we look through the clear water, we can see what it does to the skin colors, how the light within the water is illuminating the feet and ankles that are submerged in the water. Now, some people love to sit around a campfire and gaze into the flames, but I do the same thing when I'm looking at water. I'm just totally fascinated at what happens in the distortions and in the reflections and refractions that take place in a body of water. I hope you've enjoyed my explanation of these two paintings, and I hope it makes a difference next time you look at a body of water as well. Now, I promise to do more of these talks about some of my other paintings in the future, so stay tuned. Take care, everybody. Bye.